Yeah, stand down for the best now. Take my time, you better pay up in the next stop. Throw a rollie with a iced out, turned out. I see when the time's out, get my burst out. Fucking time's out. Oh yeah, now you over me. Got no kids, got me dead.
Hey yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to Broke Kids channel. And there my boy goes. Boy, why is it too bright? Why is this so bright? Wait, let me see. Is it still bright? No. I think I only look good in the camera. Why is everything else so bright? Alright guys, something was wrong with the settings. I just fixed it. Now I'm dark, man. What's going on with this? I think I need a new camera. But anyway, my boy is there. Bro, what are you about to do today?
Yeah, we're gonna fix this piece of trash. Now
Piece of trash that I sold to you?
Where, you know, Sean, when he bought it, it was in mint condition. You know, it was scratch free, everything was okay. And then when he passed it on to me, it's like, I got it for free.
Well, so he basically has to, what do you have to change again? You have to change the...
Get that, I will show you the update. So how it used to look like, if you guys remember and watch our old video, the headlights that we changed. Right now it has a carbon fiber hood. That's some real shit right here. Okay, I changed all the bulbs.
Yellow fogs?
Yellow fogs tinted as well. And all my days, bruh. All my days. I got it as a steel D37s. And as you can see, these race air pressure nuts. You know, people said that it gives 20 horsepower. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing else. And yeah,
I think you know what made, bro, honestly speaking, I think the rims made the whole car like.
Yeah, and as you can see, my huge Adam LZ fan as well. And you know, thanks to Eric, I really appreciate what he has done. Yesterday when changing the rims, he kinda messed up.
He broke one of the stud. So today we're gonna replace that, probably.
Yeah. And yeah, as you can see, this car is on mint condition. Come on, bro, show this part. Show this part. You know, I was drifting and I hit that part, but yeah,
these are some minor scratches.
It is what it is. No,
bro, who did that, bro? Who did that?
I did that. I was drifting as well. I didn't see everything. Again.
It's not him. He doesn't even know how to drive a manual car yet.
Yeah. We changed the clutch as well. It's a new clutch.
I changed it.
Yeah,
why are you taking all the credits?
Oh, it's my car, man. I'm supposed to take.
Alright guys, so I think what we're gonna fix is we're gonna probably try to change the stud that we just showed you guys. And then what else we're gonna fix is the stud, the steering pump. I mean, we changed it once, but it's still leaking badly. I think it's one of the lines or something. We got another steering pump. We might just change the whole pump. Let's see. And then we have to change the throttle body, because the race, ever since I got the car, the race was never stable. I just used it that way and I never cared about it. But now that he has the car, he wants to fix it so he can, and I want him to fix it so he can know how much throttle and the response to give and everything, so it's accurate for him and it's good for him to learn on it, because as you guys know, he's a really good drifter, or driver hashtag. So let's see how it goes. Alright guys, this is the new carb cleaner that we bought.
Steering pump's right here.
It's dirty. We're gonna use some carb cleaner to clean it off. Oh yeah, all the dirt from just sitting around. So and then how it goes, big ass feet will go like. Alright guys, this is the engine bay of the Altezza. I'm Mr. Haris, our mechanic boy here. So firstly, I'm going to target the throttle controller. All we have to do is take out all the intake, stock intake, everything, plastic.
Remember what
easy.
they told us? That if you change the controller, make sure to unplug the battery as well.
You have to do that for anything you're doing in a car.
Yeah, I knew that. As you can see, it's 24 karat gold bar.
That's painted by me. It's DRD. Alright, don't talk so much. Get the 10 or 12th number, open the negative battery. And then come and open all of these plastics. Once you get till the throttle body, then I'll tell you. It's probably 4 bolts holding it. Really easy. And I just cleaned this second hand throttle control that he got. And it's brand spanking new with the help of this carb cleaner. Sponsor. Alright guys, so this is the one that I just took off from it. There that goes in trash, and there this one. Let's see how this second hand pump went. Let me clean it a bit more. And then, yep, it still has some dirt on it. Let me clean it a bit more, and then let's install this one.
Alright, Sean has finally installed the brand new throttle.
Brand new.
Yeah, boy. Now just adjusting the acceleration. Oh yeah, this is Khan Brothers Auto Garage owner right here, right now, in the flesh. Thank you, bro, for, you know, hooking us up with this jack right here. There you go, Khan Brothers with Broke Kids, a small one. Yeah, Sean, as you guys know, this is Sean's Tylo right here.
Sifu yaar.
Sifu, yeah. Oh yeah, Sean Sifu and Mr. Khal Sifu as well. Changing it over for the Audi. And that's the Altezza. And finally has been changed. Throttle right there. Now all that's left is the steering pump. Alright, Mr. Khal. As you can see, he's connecting the piping. He changed the steering pump as well. He did it in literally 5 minutes. This was the old pipe. And yeah, it's cracked. And as for the pump, this was the old pump. So you can see it's leaking. All leaked out. Thank you, Mr. Sifu. You did it in like literally 5 minutes. Yeah, he's smiling. Yeah, he's single, guys.
So our big Sifu is teaching our small Sifu how to put on a tire.
Excuse me, I know how to put it, okay? Oh, fuck.
Big man struggling with one tire, one rim.
There we go. Alright guys, so this is how you do it. Okay, you put it inside right here. And you put it right inside the right hole. Oh yes, suck it.
Right, Julo. Bro, now you did it on camera, now I can call you Sifu. What's your name now? Sifu, Hale?
Hale Sifu.
Hale Sifu.
Contact me. Khan Brothers Garage, you want to change your tires? Alright guys, quick update. So we finally changed the pump, carburetor as well. Now the final piece from Mr. Shane Rahman. NGK spark plugs. Yeah, boy.
So when I had this car, I never gave it this much love. So it's
Yeah.
just funny how this guy's giving it this much love, but it's just through me also. I'm the one who's doing everything. So I could have just done this.
And he kept
Way
this for
back.
2 years and he didn't give any love, man. Come on, bruh.
I never changed the spark plugs. I swear. So you can imagine.
I was with you, bro, through
And
those 2
the
years.
second cylinder one wasn't even tight.
Yeah. Oh, no wonder I couldn't get that full power, bro.
Alright guys. No, wait, you don't have to show them that first. I'll explain to them which route you're going. So this is, I don't remember if I personally changed these, so I wouldn't say
No,
I
you
did it.
didn't.
Maybe the old owner did it before me. So this is the 4th cylinder, a lot of carbon or not. But there's something else I want to specify. Wait, can you see that? What's that? Can you see? Can they see it? Japan. Wait, why wouldn't the camera focus?
Yeah, yeah,
Can they see it?
yeah.
Japan. And now can you see? Can you show me the one that you bought? And you're asking me to change them. This is the new one that he just. I shouldn't check. Wait, what does it say?
It says NGK, bruh.
NGK. That's it. I mean, that's what happens when you are a broke kid, you know. I mean, like, you can if your car now doesn't run as good as before, don't blame me.
Oh shit.
You could never blame me anyways.
Alright, Sean has finally installed all 4 brand new NGK spark plug.
All the coils are back in. Plug them in nicely so I can drift this car and I can break it. I so badly wanna, you know, just hit this car somewhere. You know why? Because we have so much spare parts of this car that probably won't even hurt if I hit it. I can just repair it for him. Doesn't really matter.
Alright, the engine is alive. Works.
Yeah, what up? Saw that drift? Alright guys, finally I fixed my car, you know. Steering pump is done, throttle control is done, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna enjoy my ride and you guys enjoy your night. You feel me, yeah? That line is from Eric, yeah? Anyways, yeah guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, tell us how you feel, and yeah, till next time. See you guys soon.